Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our science activity. Students, today is Sunday, one special day. So you are more curiosity about this to watch the science activity. Yes, what you are expecting? Today I am going to show one very important and interesting activity, science activity that is related to our body. Okay, so students, you know very well what is that? Which organs helps to our respiration system? Which organs helps to our respiratory system? You do you have idea? Yes, already everybody students, every students you know very well. The lungs helps to our respiratory system. Yes, to take that breath, to that respirate. It is very important organ. Okay. So today I am going to show on the science activity that is function of lungs. How the lungs is acting, how that functioning that our lungs today I am going to represent. Okay students, so for that you see that AMC is our function of lungs. Okay, so how that lungs is acting in our body we cannot see, but today by the activity, by the science activity I will show how the lungs is working. Okay, so what are the experiment material required? We have to see first, very nothing else there, only you have to take that one empty bottles you can collect from your house. Second things, balloons, happy birthday balloons are there in your house I think, and a straw. These three things are very important things, and other remain you can, if it is there you can help. Okay, so see students, what are that material requires? Empty water bottles, balloon and balloons and a plastic straw. So what you will do students? First of all one water bottle, that 1/3 portion, that means up part you can cut like this. You should see that my activity, this is our experiment activity that you have to see. This is the model, your cap it is, and from 1/3 portion it is there, you can cut first. Okay, cutting after what you have to do students? Then after you 3 straw you should take, or 2 straw you can cut. How like you cut? You should see students, like suppose this is one straw, another one straw also, this is like this, you have to join. That means this like a Y, reverse Y, like you have to join. That means this 2 straw like this joint. Okay, and in that it should be connected like one face, like some half portion cutting after you can connect. Then another one straw you should join up to here like this. That means 3 straw face connected to each other. Okay, that means the air can pass through like this and the air can pass through like this also. Okay, like that you have to reverse Y, like you should joint it. Okay, then after what you have to do, that bottle we have taken that, like this bottle is there, and here you should make it hole, one hole make, and this straw you should put in this. Okay, before that. Okay, then after what you have to do, this reverse Y is there friends, here one balloon you should tie, here one balloon you should tie. Okay, I will show that also activity students. First understand this. Here you should one balloon you should tie with the our cello tape is there, you can tie, or thread with also you can tie, and here also one balloon also you tie. Okay, then after that balloon you should keep inside that bottle, half you have cut that bottle, that inside you should put, and here after that taking this cap you have to keep there, and that cap you make it whole. Then after the straw you should take out, and you should close it, that holes, if remain holes are there you should do gum with it, or any plaster or anything with it, you should do fill it. That means the air should not go outside like this. Okay, next what you will do students, this down part what you have cut, you should do keep one balloon, cutting balloon you should cover it. Okay, if like this you can see, this is one balloon. Okay, this balloon with it you can cut like this, some half part you should cut like this. Cutting after you can joint like this part, it will come like this, that bottle, this bottle down part you should cover it. Okay, so what you will observe, so then after this cover balloon covering after, you will see that what is that functions. Okay friends, now you see that here friends, inside can you see here that one black color and one white color balloon I have taken. Okay, you can see that here two balloons are there. Yes, you observe here friends, here one pipe is there connected like this, and here down part also one balloon I covered. Inside that you should see two balloons I have taken. Can you see? Okay, now what is that work? Students, you should think what is this? This is in our body there one diaphragm is there, diaphragm. Okay, so under that like our abdomen near that one diaphragm is there. What is that work? Always like that it will be pushed to down and up, like that it will come. You should see students, when I will push this, what is the balloon happening, that you can understand. Can you see? You see this balloon, you can observe it is our lungs like contracting and expanding it is coming. So that means how that means whenever this diaphragm it is coming to down, then you should see friends, it is air is entering, and whenever it is coming up, that air is coming out. This is our the function friends. Our lungs, how they are taking that oxygen and how the carbon dioxide is releasing, because in that abdomen near that under that one diagram like this one diaphragm is there in our body, that contracting down, that time air is entering to our lungs, then it is coming up, then it is pushing outside. So gradually, simultaneously it is continuously it is doing expanding and contracting. Okay, so like this whenever it is doing, you can observe that once again. So this is the function of the lungs. Okay students, if this is taking the oxygen gas and then after oxygen is sending to that heart and mixing with the bloods, and then after it is heart is sending to different part of our body. Okay, then after collecting that deoxygenated blood, then after it is reaching to that heart, then after that gas is coming outside, and that carbon dioxide gas also releasing with our foods, and the other gases there carbons are there, oxygen with mixing and carbon dioxide is releasing. Okay students, you know what is that working about that, but this is only that functions what is that lungs. Okay, so specially you have to observe, you can do in your home and you can nicely you can enjoy. First of all, this is diaphragm in the down balloon, and there are two balloons inside there, two lungs are there, two sides, and that two lungs are connected into our one pipe. Okay, and that pipe, if you will see that, you can understand the balloon also functioning, black balloon and white balloon, you can understand. Yes. Okay, so this is our the today activities, and you can enjoy and make the video and send me. It is very happiness day and interesting day. Thank you. Have a nice day.